When we're cloning a suit for a client so we don't have to take his measurements, first thing you're going to do is lay out your pant. You're going to take an outseam measurement, which starts from the top of the waistband all the way to the bottom of the waistband, and mark down that number. And the next thing you're going to do is fold over the pant, and you're going to go from where all these seams meet to the bottom of the pant and take that measurement. If you subtract both those measurements, they'll give you the rise. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to actually measure the finished thigh of the client. And what you're going to do is take your tape measure 1 inch below the crotch, take your material, stretch your material out, and double that number for a finished thigh. Then you take your pant and you fold it to the top of your waistband, and you measure across to each point and double that number. That'll give you a finished knee. And to do your bottom, you measure straight across the bottom, make sure all your material is flat, and you take the tape measure and measure the bottom and double that. That will give you the bottom. The next measurement you're going to take is the client's waist. Make sure the buttons are, make sure the pant is fully buttoned. Stretch out the pant so it's even and flat. At that point, you take your tape measure and you go from edge to edge, but stretch the material a little bit and double that. That'll give you a finished waist. The next measurement you're going to take is for your seat measurement. You're going to lay out the pant, make sure you get all excess fabric, brush it aside, and you're going to measure right from under the pocket across to the other bottom end of the pocket and stretch the material out. Double that. That's going to give you your finished seat. The next measurement you're going to take is your back stride. That's from the top of the waistband to where all 4 points meet on the pant. You're going to take that measurement, and then you're going to take your front stride, which is from the top of the waistband to where all 4 points meet on the pant. If you double that measurement, that will give you a U-rise. So that's your front stride and your back stride. On your jacket, there's a bunch of measurements you're going to take on your jacket. You're going to turn the jacket over. The first measurement you're going to take is right where the armpit ends, and there's a seam there. And you're going to measure across the back to the center of the back seam, and you're going to give us that measurement. The next measurement is the half girth. Take your jacket, spread your jacket out, make sure it's nice and flat. You're always going to go where your second button would lie, to the edge of the jacket, to the center of the jacket, the center jacket seam, and that would give you your half girth measurement. The next measurement you're going to take is your jacket length. Again, make sure your fabric is laying flat. You're going to go right from underneath the collar, which is the nape of the jacket, all the way down to the bottom of the jacket. And just tug on the material a little bit. That'll give you that measurement. You can also take a chest measurement. Make sure your jacket is buttoned. And you spread out your arms. Make sure the jacket is nice and flat. And you measure right under the armpit, which is naturally where the chest would be. So if you go edge to edge, that'll give you a finished chest measurement. The next measurement you're going to take is for the sleeve of the jacket. Fold your jacket in half, come to the top of the shoulder where it all meets, add a 1/2 inch, bring it straight down to the bottom, and that'll give you your sleeve measurement. The next measurement you're going to take is your point to point. You're going to take it where your seams meet. You're going to come across the jacket and you're going to pull on it and stretch it a little bit. And that's the measurement you're going to take. That's as simple as cloning a suit. You give us those measurements, we can make a suit for you.